In this video, I am going to be going over the Bullfrog A5L. The A5L is going to be a comfortable 2 to 3 person spa with specs of 7 foot by 5 foot 8 and 2 foot 8 inches tall. I will put that on the video as well, but depending on which trim level you go with, again, this is the standard trim level. They do make a plus and select trim level, which would give you other bells and whistles like nicer cabinet, additional JetPak, cup holder lights and auxiliary controls, everything that I will make another video for. But this is gonna basically have everything you would need. You still have cup holder spots right there, a really simple waterfall with a diverter to turn on and off. You do still get the 2 JetPaks, which is what the A series is known for. You also are going to have this really nice touchscreen display, super simple to use. They have the 2 chairs in the back there, as well as a really comfortable lounge chair here. You even get some hip jets right there. They also have kind of another platform. Some people use it as a seat. A lot of people like to use it as a way to get in and out of the spa, which is located right next to the filter weirs, where all that water is going to get brought in and brought all the way through the filter, which again is behind that JetPak there, which I will show right now. So on the Bullfrog A5L, whether you have 2 or 3 JetPaks, the filter is going to be located on the front right JetPak. So you open it up, you are going to have this compartment right here, almost like a briefcase. If you are using the Bullfrog Ad-Ease system, these are where the mineral cartridge and the chlorine cartridge would go. Otherwise, as far as the filter, you just pop it open, slides right out just like that. You can put a new one in, slide it in just like that. All the equipment on this spa is going to be right behind this front panel here, so all the other sides are going to have basically full foam all the way in. So the A5L, no matter which trim level you get it in, is going to be a 1-pump system. From there, you can upgrade and get a circulation pump. You could get an ozone, any other upgrades that you would want, which would still all be right in there. But one thing I do want to show you is right down here is where you're going to have the drain and the airlock bleeder valve. So if you were to fill that up and you have a gap of air stuck in the plumbing, you'd want to take a flat head right to that and loosen that up, let some water and air out, and that would help clear that airlock for you. As far as lighting goes, the A5L is going to have this housing light right here, which would illuminate the body of water. And you are also going to have some exterior lights. So these corner sconces will light up, as well as the Bullfrog Spa A-Series logo right there. And those are all controlled from the top side right here.